We have here a pomegranate. Extracted seeds. Pomegranate is an antioxidant. It is high in vitamin C, helps you fight cancer, arthritis, heart diseases by lowering your blood pressure. We'll grab a watermelon. Watermelon is high in vitamin C and vitamin A. It helps you fight cancer, heart diseases, and reduces your mental stress. It also improves in digestion and improves you get healthy and glowing skin. So, after having pomegranate and watermelon, we'll add now fresh mint leaves. Mint leaves are a good source of good health. We'll extract them and add them to a juicer in order to blend them into a fine juice. But before that, we'll add to them some secret Indian spices, black salt and a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper helps you fight cancer and lowers your blood sugar. Once you have blended them gently, do not overmix them, because if you overmix, then it will also have the watermelon being bitter because of its seeds. So avoid overmixing it, just blend it for a while and then extract it by passing it through a sieve to get the purest form of the juice in the form of a great health tonic. You can have it right now, or you can store it and keep it in the fridge for maximum 8 hours. Till then, it has all its capacity to keep your immunity boosted. Drink it sip by sip, stay healthy, and watch other videos for health tonics.